Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur video in InShot. There are different ways to blur a video, but I'll show you an easy and effective way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Choose your preferred option. Here, click on New to start a new project. For now, I'll choose this video and click here to add it to your timeline. Now, to add blur to this video, simply select the sticker option. Now, click on Details and you'll find different types of blur option here, like this one, and simple blur, and also the glass option, and also the magnifier. For now, we'll choose the blur option and increase its size to cover the whole video, just like this. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And as you can see, the length of the blur is small, so take it all the way to the end of the video, just like this. And now, if we play the video, the blur is applied to the whole video. And click here to save changes. And just like this, we can blur a video in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.